Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about PrizeRebel. PrizeRebel is an online platform that allows users to earn rewards and gift cards by completing various tasks and activities. In simple terms, it's a website where you can get free stuff by doing simple things. One of the main ways to earn rewards on PrizeRebel is by taking surveys. These surveys cover a wide range of topics and usually requires you to answer questions or provide your opinion on certain products or services. The length and complexity of the survey may vary, and generally they are relatively easy to complete. So the first thing to do is sign up on the website PrizeRebel.com. You can sign up with Google or Facebook. In this case, I prefer Google. Confirm. Now let's switch. Okay, let's choose Google. Okay, if Google isn't working, let's choose Facebook. No? Okay, maybe Facebook is working. So, aside from surveys, PrizeRebel offers other ways to earn money. You can participate in offers which involve signing up for free trials or completing specific tasks such as downloading apps or watching videos. Additionally, there are often daily challenges and bonus activities that allows you to earn extra points. The rewards can redeemed on PrizeRebel include gift cards for popular online retailers like Amazon, PayPal Cash, and even virtual games currencies. Currencies. The redemption process is straightforward. Once you accumulate enough points, you can exchange them for the desired reward, and it will be delivered to you electronically. So I don't think they accept Facebook or Google. Let's just sign up the old fashioned. Sign up now. I don't know if it's unfortunately PrizeRebel isn't. This is the problem. It's not available in my location. Can I change the location? No. Would I use VPN? No. So let's try with an American account. Please choose a password below. Okay, sign up. Okay, unfortunately, your location is not available. Why there is a space on the right? An empty space. Okay, this is a weird website. So let's continue. While PrizeRebel provides opportunity to earn rewards, it's important to manage your expectation. The reward you will receive may not be substantial, and it might take some time to accumulate enough points for the higher value reward. Additionally, availability of survey and tasks may vary depending on the location and the demographics. Overall, PrizeRebel can be a fun and easy way to earn a little something extra by completing simple tasks online. It is a legitimate platform that has been around for some time and has a decent reputation among users. Just keep in mind that it's not a get rich quick scheme. And the reward may not be suitable for small trades or occasional service explorers. So you take survey, you earn points, and sadly it's not available in my country. So it's available with this email, but I will need a password. And the password is good, but it's not available in this location. So future awards are for Amazon, Target, Burger King, Walmart, Starbucks, eBay, Apple Music, or Visa. How it works: you sign up with a 100% free account, earn points by completing short opinion or surveys, redeem the points on PayPal Cash or those gifts rewards. So it has 30 million member and growing, 28 million in reward given, and it was established in 2007. So some people earned PS5. There are some who earned uh, a Dell desktop, and people who got Amazon gift cards and others. So it's only available in the US, I think. And certainly here are some additional points to consider in the review of this website. So user-friendly interface of PrizeRebel that makes it easy to navigate through the website. The tasks, surveys, and offers are neatly categorized, and you can easily track your progress and point balance. They have a good referral program. You can invite your friends and earn money by the depending on how many friends you invited. So we have multiple redemption options and supportive community. PrizeRebel has an active community forum where users can interact with each other, share tips, and discuss their experience. It can be a helpful resource for finding new earning opportunities, learning about successful strategies, and connecting with like-minded individuals. It has also a mobile app where you can get some money wherever you are. So it is important to note that while PrizeRebel is a legitimate platform, it's essential to be cautious of potential scams or fraudulent activities. Stick to the official PrizeRebel website and avoid sharing personal or sensitive information with any suspicious third-party site. So overall, PrizeRebel can be an enjoyable and rewarding platform for those looking to earn some extra benefits by completing simple tasks online. With its user-friendly interface, multiple redemption options, and supportive community, it offers a decent opportunity to supplement your income or indulge in some trades without much hassle. So I wish it was available in this country or around here. The only downside is that's not available around all the world. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.